Welcome to my channel, friends. Today's topic is simple interest, and this is SSC, CGL, CHSL, and MTS are simple interest previous year questions. So I hope you will like this. Let me start. And the first question is: a sum was lent as simple interest for at a certain rate for 2 years. Okay, there is no principal. Had it been lent at 3% higher rate, it would have fetched 300 rupees more. The original sum of money was. Okay, there is no think like this. There is no first rate of interest. There is no first case, and the second case is 3% higher rate. So 3% into 2 years, rate of interest into number of years, 6%. What the value they have given? 300 rupees equal to 300. So principal is always 100%. So 100% is equal to how much? 6% in 6 5 30 0, and 100% 5000. Okay, and this is first option. I hope you liked it. Next question is, this is CGL prelims question 2004. If the annual rate of interest increases from 10% to 12.5%, a man's yearly income increases by 1250 rupees. Okay, rate of interest how much percent increased? 2.5% increased. So man's income also got increased. It is increased by 1250. So that 2.5% is equal to 1250, right? And what they have asked principal. So it is always 100% is equal to how much? 22.5%. There are some difficulties when we are calculating point values. So simply into 10 and then into 10. 12500, 25%. Now it is 25% is equal to 12500. Now it is 100%. Okay, what is the value? 25 5s 125, 2 zeros, 100 into 500. Okay, now what is the value? 50,000. It is first option. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. See, a sum or principal. A sum of 400 amounts to 480 in 4 years. Okay, amounts to principal. Okay, amounts to is amount. What will it amount to if the rate of interest is increased by 2%? What is the rate of interest got increased by 2%. First it is the amount is equal to, they have given amount, right? Amount, what we know, amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is 480 rupees, principal is 400 rupees. I am writing this is for your understanding purpose, that is, okay, 80 is equal to interest. Interest for, it is for 4 years. I want only for 1 year. So 80 by 4, 20, right? 20 rupees interest on what sum? It is on 400 rupees. What percentage it is? 20 of 400. 5%. How I calculated? 10%, 40 rupees, 5%, 20 rupees. So 5%, 20 rupees. What they have asked? What will it amount to if the rate of interest increases by 2%? Now it is 7%. 7% after how many years? 4 years. So 7% into 4, 28%. 28% on principal 4,000, 400. 28 into 4, simply 120, 112. Okay, if we don't know, simply you don't know 28 table. Now 30% is 120, 2% is 4, 2% is 8. So I will subtract 120 from 8. So it is 112. It is what? Simple interest. Now what they have asked, amount 400 plus 112. I will go to third option, 512. And next question. See, the simple interest on 4,000 in 3 years at the rate of X% per annum. Okay, equals, this is important, equals the simple interest on 5,000 at the rate of 12% per annum in 2 years. So in both the cases, simple interest is equal. What they're asking, rate of percent, the value of X is asking. Okay, so second case 5,000, 12%, 2 years. So 24%. 24% on 5,000 rupees. 100% is equal to 5,000. 50% is equal to 2,500. 25% is equal to 1250, but I want 24%. 1% 50 rupees. Subtract 1250 from minus 1250 minus 50, 1200. 1200 on 1200. It is 1200 rupees simple interest. Here the both cases simple interest is equal. So it is 3 years interest. So I want only 1 year interest. So 400 rupees is 1 year interest. What they're asking? Percentage. Rate of interest asking X percentage. 400 rupees. 400 rupees simple interest on 4000. What percent? 10%. So first option. Next question. Ram deposited a certain sum of money in a company at 12% per annum simple interest for 4 years and deposited in a bank for 5 years at 15% per annum simple interest. Okay. If the difference in the interest from two sources is 1350, then the sum deposited in each case is. Okay. So Ram got an idea. On 12% he invested in a company and 15% per annum he invested in bank. So rate of in both the cases the in both the cases the sum is equal, that is principal. So the difference 12% into 4 48% and 15% into 5 75%. Difference how much? 7 and 2. 20% is equal to what they have given 1350. So what they are asking the sum like 100%. How much? 27 5s 135 into 0 and then 100 into 50 5000 and the principal is third option 5000. Okay, hope you liked this video and my explanation. If you got any doubt, just comment me your doubt. I will just give you a reply within a couple of minutes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please share, do share, like and subscribe with your friends.